After the end of the New Kingdom began the epilogue of the ancient Egyptian civilization, with a period that lasted nearly 7 centuries and comprised the third intermediate period and the late period, where Egypt went into a loop of unrest and chaos of darkness, with a short-lived glow of a shooting star, where sometimes the country would be controlled by two different factions or dynasties. Each would control a different part of the country. And pure Egyptian blood was not a must anymore to rule Egypt and be the shadow of gods on earth. After the second Persian occupation that lasted for only 11 years, Egyptians welcomed Alexander the Great as a liberator, and he ushered what is known as the Greco-Roman period of Egyptian history that lasted for nearly a millennia.